Well, today we're going to be on an office tour. Our first stop here is an Enchanted Isle. It's an Enchanted Oaks, and it's an island. Yeah, it's an island with a road to it. So we're going to take a look at some homes today. We've only got 2 or 3, but haven't done a home tour in a while. So let's have fun with this one. Well, we're on tour today, and our first stop is an Enchanted Isle. We've got 3 cars, about 10, 12 agents, and we're going to be going in to take a look at this property. It's pretty neat, about 1.2, 1.3 million. So let's go take a look and see what this looks like.
Yeah, where's he showing? I was going to say, Jennifer's showing too. Yeah. Property tour.
Been telling us the ones that he's been trying to get closed.
Yeah.
Those pictures look like they're made into the concrete.
I just showing us on pieces, but not before then.
Recessed lights, big beautiful fireplace, great kitchen, has a pass-through. Look at that. Great cabinets, granite, stainless steel, breakfast area. Look at that view.
It's got a nice covered deck. Woo! Man. Nice covered deck, and you can see the whole lot over there.
Over there.
Yeah, if you gotta get a walk out and just kind of go over there and see that other lot.
Let's take a quick look at the outside. Bit windy today. Covered deck. You've got boathouse. This is on 2 lots. Oh, amazing views. Enchanted Isle. Doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. Beautiful views, covered porch, got a patio down here at the end. Pretty nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Also, thing about this is you got water on both sides of your property. So there you go. That's the north end of the lake. We're going to the south end of the lake. Pretty cool. Now we're in Eastwood Island, a little off-water house, 3-2. It's actually on 2 lots. Eastwood Island's here in Gun Barrel City, so it's close to everything. Not bad. Let's go inside and take a quick look. Fireplace.
I am too, I have to look. I like the high
Cute little house. Good living area. Good story. Looking for something off-water. Price well. Come take a look at this one. Well, we're out here in the country on a little house that Joanne Pearson has listed. Well, kind of nice view. Here's your house. Nice little house. Fenced. Looks like it might be on an acre or more. So if you're interested in a little house in the country, quiet, just north of 7 Points, give us a call. Well, we are in Beechwood Estates. Now this is one of my favorite spots on the lake. It's gated. Great homes on here, great waterfront, and you're gonna love this place. And this is this place. I mean, it is neat. It has an RV parking in the center with sewer tap on the inside and water. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice circle drive, plenty of parking over here, but this house sits on a point. I mean, it is amazing. Kind of faces north. So this house has the unique distinction that you're going to be able to see the sun come up over there. You're going to get to see it set over there. Pretty cool. Before we go inside on this one, Let's just take a walk around the outside.
Literally everywhere in this house. It took us forever to find light.
This is the last house we have on tour.
It was this whole, it was across this whole.
Yeah, it's on a point. Look at that. Yeah, spillway's over there. Now look at this view. Good water depth too. Got a board missing on the dock. Need to fix that. Look around at the house. Concrete walk all the way around. Man, this is really something. This is really, really neat. Priced at $595. Sorry, I don't know square footage. I'm guessing it's somewhere around 2,000 square feet. I believe it's a 3-2. But isn't that neat? Nice patio out here. Never ever get tired of looking at this. Let's go inside. Got a couple of chairs here. Sit down in this covered area. Look at the water. Let's go inside. Wow.
When did you send it?
Look at this.
When did you send it?
This is sausage.
And we're having food here too, so we'll hang around this place for a while. Look at this view. Upstairs. All open.
I opened up the garage so y'all could see that.
180 degrees all the way
They
around.
have, electrical and sewer hookup for the RV in there.
So there's sewer and electric for the RV.
Great kitchen. Hi, Laura.
Hi. Stuff in my face.
Look at this bedroom. Wow. Bathroom here. Bookcases down the side. Pretty cool. Hi, Terry. Come back in here. The kitchen's a big galley kitchen. Laundry room here. Man, I love all these bookcases. Here's this garage.
Hi there.
Hey, Valerie. So if you got a big truck, big RV, got room for it here. And obviously room for storage. Well, this pretty much concludes our tour of this property. Now, look at this kitchen. Come out here, great gathering. Oh yeah, kitchen sink with a window. Everybody loves that. Pretty special place.
And I'll be, because I ate today.
Well, if you'd like more information about any of these homes we've had on tour today, especially this one, give Terry Gregory a call. Man, this place is awesome. Beechwood Estates. Looks like it's got 200 feet of waterfront. Amazing place. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed this tour. Got to hear some agents talking. But this is what we do every Tuesday. We tour what homes that come on. Sometimes there's one, sometimes there's 20. You just never know. But anyway, thanks for coming along with us. Have a great day. Come to the lake. You're going to enjoy it.